Hey, gamers! Looking to level up your gaming experience? In today's video, we're diving into the top best gaming mice of 2025. Whether you're after precision, speed, or comfort, we've got you covered. Stick around as we break down the top picks that could give you the edge in every game. Subscribe for more interesting items, so let's get started. At number 1 we have UtechSmart Venus Pro RGB Wireless MMO Gaming Mouse. 16 customizable buttons can improve your gaming skills and performance by complex custom button macro coding of reconfiguration and assignment. UtechSmart Venus Pro RGB Wireless MMO Gaming Mouse is a new revolution of RGB MMO gaming mouse. It has 2.4 GHz data transmission technology with mini signal receiver, nano, and stable 1.5 wire transmission that provides professional-level performance. Venus Pro overcomes the traditional limitation of wireless latency and connectivity, which offers stable and fast data transmission with 10-meter reception boundary. UtechSmart Venus Pro Wireless RGB MMO Gaming Mouse has special auto sleeping mode and low power consumption mode, or extending the battery life of wireless mode. Large battery, 1000 mAh, capacity, which offers to recharge over 300 times, and single 2 hours fully charge. At number 2 we have Logitech G Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. G Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse is the result of 2 years of work with professionally sports gamers, combing advanced technologies in an ultra-lightweight design. UHURU 25K sensor through a software update from G Hub. This upgrade is free to all players. Logitech's most accurate sensor yet, with up to 25,600 dpi and 10x the power efficiency of previous generation for the ultimate in wireless gaming speed, accuracy, and responsiveness. Microprocessor, 32-bit ARM. Innovative endoskeleton design creates a super thin yet incredibly strong outer shell, enabling the body to weigh in at a remarkably light and maneuverable 80 grams. At number 3 we have UHURU Wireless Gaming Mouse. The gaming mouse adopts 2.4 GHz transmission technology, providing reliable, precise and long-range connection, up to 50 feet. The response is near instantaneous. Response rate represents the data transmission speed between the mouse and computer. A higher rate of response in games competitions can better play the performance of the mouse and allows the mouse to be zero delays and no jump during fierce gaming, which is more realistic for gaming players. 5-level DPI by pressing the button below the scroll wheel. This mouse provides extreme stability while gaming, such as League of Legends, World of Warcraft. 6 buttons can be programmed by installing driver software, which makes the mouse more intelligent and meets more demands for different games. Makes you more convenient and extraordinary in the MMORPG. At number 4 we have Logitech G Pro X SUPERLIGHT Wireless Gaming Mouse. Meticulously designed in collaboration with many of the world's leading esports pros. Engineered to win, being the pinnacle of our continued pursuit for the highest levels of performance. Ultra-lightweight at under 63 grams, with hyper-minimal redesign achieving nearly 25% weight reduction compared to standard Pro wireless mouse. Powered by Lightspeed, Pro X SUPERLIGHT is our fastest and most reliable Pro mouse yet. Incredibly precise, fast and consistent control with UHURU sensor, designed from the ground up by Logitech G engineers for the best possible gaming performance. System requirements: Windows 8 or later, macOS 10.11 or later. At number 5 we have Razer Basilisk V3 Gaming Mouse. PC gaming mouse favored by millions worldwide, with a form factor that perfectly supports the hand while its buttons are optimally positioned for quick and easy access. Assign macros and secondary functions across 11 programmable buttons to execute essential actions like push-to-talk, ping, and more. Speed through content with a scroll wheel that free spins until it's stopped, or switch to tactile mode for more precision and satisfying feedback that's ideal for cycling through weapons or skills. With zero unintended misclicks, these switches provide crisp, responsive execution at a blistering 0.2 milliseconds actuation speed for up to 70 million clicks. At number 6 we have ASUS ROG Wireless Gaming Mouse. ROG SPA X Wireless Gaming Mouse allows you play wirelessly with 2.4 GHz RF, or with a wired USB-C cable connection. 19,000 dpi optical sensor provides unmatched accuracy. The DPI on the scroll feature lets you easily adjust the sensitivity of the wireless mouse without accessing software. The 12 programmable buttons are positioned within easy reach, all designed to provide intuitive, responsive control. Gold-plated electrojunction provides a 70 million clicks. Exclusive put-in switch sockets allow you to easily replace switches based on your preference. Charge it via USB-C cable or with the included magnetic charging stand. 15 minutes can provide up to 12 hours of wireless gaming. Enjoy 67 hours of play time on a full charge. At number 7 we have glorious Model O Wireless Gaming Mouse. Built with 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, the Model O Wireless has the lowest wireless latency of any mouse in its class. Choose from 16.8 possible colors, quickly adjustable without software using mouse buttons. Deeply customize it in Glorious Core, to make it match the rest of your desktop. Model O Wireless has the highest battery life of any mouse in its class. You get up to 71 hours of playtime in wireless mode, and you can play while charging, using the ultra-flexible USB-C Ascended Paracord charging cable, with RGB off. Pinpoint precision with 400 IPS tracking speed, 19,000 max DPI and up to 1000 Hz polling rate. At number 8 we have Redragon Gaming Mouse. Redragon Wireless Gaming Mouse. All buttons can be programmed with the driver and support macro editing. You can remap the buttons, assignment of complex macro functions, change RGB backlit effects, and adjust DPI 2508000 to fit your different needs. The wireless mouse features adjustable DPI 2508000, up to 9 RGB light effects can be chosen. You also can adjust backlit effects with 16.8 million color combinations by drivers to create your fancy gaming environment, and match your game style and desktop layout. The rechargeable mouse has a long battery life between 35 hours, RGB on, and 70 hours, RGB off, on a single charge, providing you with non-stopping use. It will auto-sleep after 1 minute of inactivity for power saving. At number 9 we have SOLAKAKA SM600 White Wireless Gaming. SM600 Wireless Gaming Mouse adopts tri-mode connection 2.4G wireless/2BT 5.1/Type-C wired connection. Users can save 4 devices same time, support PC, laptop, tablet, mobile phone, etc. Users through the software to set the mouse buttons, DPL, mode, lighting effects, etc. SM600 custom mouse greatly meets the DIY needs of game enthusiasts. SM600 wireless mouse can be adjusted within 6 levels. Rate of return up to 1000 Hz even in intense games, achieves 0 latency and no frame skipping. Built-in 600 mAh lithium battery with USB-C charging cable. Low battery indicator will remind user to charge it with flashing red light. It also supported recharged while charging. M600 has beautiful RGB rainbow backlight. At number 10 we have Razer Naga V2 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. This mouse comes with a set of 12, 6 and 2-button magnetic side plates, allowing to adapt to any game genre with control of up to 19 + 1 programmable, backlit buttons. With adjustable tactility, resistance, and steps, create firmer, more distinct scrolls for precise weapon switching, or softer, smoother scrolls with multiple steps to easily spam inputs like jump. With a connection 25% faster than any other wireless tech available, enjoy high performance, low latency competitive play that remains smooth and stable even in noisy wireless environments. From an improved 90 million click lifecycle with 0 double-clicking issues, to a blistering 0.2 milliseconds actuation with no debounce delay, enjoy reliability and speed that outshines all others. At number 11 we have Logitech G703 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming. Never worry about your battery life again. Add the PowerPlay wireless charging system to keep G703 and other compatible G mice charged while at rest and at play. PowerPlay wireless charging system sold separately. Hero 25K sensor through a software update from G-Hub. This upgrade is free to all players, our most advanced, with 1 tracking, 400 plus IPS, and 100 to 25, 600 max DPI sensitivity. Plus 0 smoothing, filtering, or acceleration, and 10x power efficiency of previous Gen Pro level responsiveness and connectivity for long-lasting, high-performance gameplay. With a weight of 95 G and battery life for up to 35 hours of continuous play with default light sync RGB lighting.